My first question to you is if we are looking at combustion as a phenomenon, okay, how would you characterize the interaction of human beings with combustion in different contexts, for example?
Uh, as you rightly said, the combustion is been touching upon human lives since time eternity. In fact, even if you start off with prehistoric times, fire was something which man was to start with afraid of. So man, as well as the wild animals, so that was something which was keeping people away as well as the animals away. Then subsequently, man learned to. You used the word tame. I said, as an engineer, we will say harness.
Yes.
Harness
Fair.
fire. So anyway, we didn't get on to details of combustion at that point in time. So man learned how to harness this. We will come to some of the aspects of some basic things which those prehistoric men used to harness fire and use it to benefit. So subsequently, we learned a lot, and right now we are at a situation where we've been able to add multiple layers of not only control but also make it a safe operation.
Yeah.
So that is important because that is what is going to actually make combustion easily available, and the benefits can be made available to a large number of applications and people. As such, combustion touches us in almost all walks of life. When we walk around, we see a small piece of wood burning, people around let's say in winters, the people who are basically bunched around firewood, who want. So essentially, it is a simple reaction where fuel burns with oxygen. But then again, those are the things which get lost out when you're looking at purely the practical aspect of it. So it is very, very important for us to basically get not only the practical aspect of it, but to the element of control and the safety and the various facets of combustion, the various fuels, so that our audience can benefit.
Yeah, I understand. I specifically agree with your point on both the control aspect of it and the safety aspect of it, which are actually linked to a certain extent. Because unless and until you can effectively control combustion, the starting point, the ending point, the intensity, for example, it's essentially just uncontrolled reaction, which may create a lot of damage.
Yeah, absolutely.
So the control and this thing are actually, they go in hand, and we'll continue with that discussion, with respect to the practical side of things.